just a glimpse of your face. I can remember smelling your hair. I'll meet you anywhere, somewhere that no one can retrace, somewhere where no one will know our faces. She has 2 arms to hold me and 4 legs to wrap around me. She's not your typical girlfriend. She's my alien. When something is wrong, when something doesn't belong, she can read in my mind, and she can be assured that with me there is no conspiracy. She's not wasting her time. She can take me to the place that she calls home, in a spaceship that will someday be